Good morning. Today my topic is coupling of fluxes. Flux. The generalized fluxes Ji depend on the generalized forces and vice versa. The rate of the chemical reaction depend on the affinity and the heat energy fluxes on the temperature difference. In a linear approximate Ji बराबर सिग्मा n J बराबर 1 Lij x j Ji बराबर 1 2 डॉट डैश 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 n where Ij are the phenomenological coefficients. Simple example of linear relationships are the law of heat conduction, a heat fluxes and generalized force in the increased temperature difference. Ohm's law. The fluxes is the electrical current and the forces is the potential difference. Fick's law of diffusion. A flux of matter and the forces is the concentration difference etc. Near the equilibrium according to the Onsager theorem, the phenomenological coefficient Lij from a symmetric metric. Example Lij बराबर Lji. Equation number 2. Equation number 9.52. This relation strictly follow the principle of microscopic reversibility. The relations inverse to the may be written in the form xi बराबर सिग्मा n j equal to 1 xi equal to sigma j equal to 1 or ij capital J small j. Here the coefficient Rij also from a symmetric matrix. Since 0 dash more than O, certain constraints are the imposed on the phenomenological coefficients capital Lij and the and accordingly on Rij. Let us consider without loss of generality the case of two forces and two fluxes. J1 बराबर L11 x1 प्लस L12 x2. J2 बराबर J2 इक्वल टू L21 x1 plus L22 x2. According to equation, we have 0 dash equal to L11 x22 x21 plus L12 plus 2 L21 x1 x2 plus L22 x22 not than 0. The dissipation function 0 dash is positive at any non-zero values of the variable x1 and x2. One says if x1 बराबर x2 बराबर 0 thus L11 more than 0 and L22 more than 0 and L2 प्लस में L1 का होल स्क्वायर more than less than 4 L11 L22. Since the coefficients are symmetric, L12 बराबर L12 equal to L21, L12 more less than L11, L22. The sign of the diagonal coefficient L12 may be either positive or negative in a general case. LJJ LJJ more than 0, LJJ more than Lij. It should be emphasized that the condition 0 dash more than 0 refers to the sum sigma I xj capital J I as the whole. The individual members of this sum can be negative. And this means that no single flux Ji is possible since Xij more than less than 0. In other words, such a flux would contradict the second law of thermodynamics. However, because of the coupling with the other fluxes for which we have positive values of xj more than 0, a flux inconceivable a closed system becomes positive in an open system. The following condition must only be fulfilled. This is the formula. The coupling is determined by the difference of the diagonal coefficient Lij from 0. Let us cite an example. A mixture of two gases of vessel whose walls are at different temperature spontaneously undergoes separation such a manner that one gas predominant at the hot wall and other at the cold wall. This phenomenon is called thermal diffusion. The matter follows in the direction opposite to the direction of the concentration gradient. Since the flow of matter is coupled with the flow of heat from the north to the cold wall, the entropy deficiency in one process is the compensated for its excess production in the other. we see that the entropy production in an open system makes possible the occurrence of processes that cannot take place in isolated systems. This is important for the understanding of biological system. Thank you.